Welcome back to the channel. We've got a couple of other updates for the Fairlight or audio update. Now you can access your effects, EQ, and dynamics straight from the edit page. So here on channel 1, if I hit EQ down here, that'll actually pop up and you can adjust it right here on the edit page without hopping over to Fairlight. Same thing with the effects. This will take you by default just to the track level effects, and then dynamics will open dynamics. Now if you are on the Fairlight page and you do add some kind of an effect, so I'll add this distortion here, and then maybe a channel strip. So now I have these added on track 1. We jump over to edit page one more time. It doesn't show up here, but if we hit effects, it'll take you to whatever's on the track on the inspector. And then here with the distortion plugin, we can just hit this 3 slider menu, and that actually opens the plugin up. And same with the second one we added. So you can still get to everything without having to jump back over to the Fairlight page if you wanted to make some adjustments. Now within the Fairlight page, you can open up the channel's automation with a right click. So let's say we have EQ open on here. We turn it on, and I wanted to automate band number 6 here, frequency. Right click that, and now you could see on the track itself, we're now looking at the EQ high band frequency automation lane. Same thing with the level and gain, right click. So now everything changes accordingly if you wanted to add some automation in without having to go look for it out of the list here. It's kind of a great little feature they added. In fact, you can do it with the volume right here, with the fader level as well. So 2 new features that I thought were worth mentioning when working with audio. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.